So let's look at adding total number of pages to our page number in Google Docs. I've got a document open here, and as you see, it's several pages long. As I'm scrolling down, Google will tell me, see with this little hint box, how many pages actually I have total and which page am I on. Right now I'm on page 304. Now I'm on page 404. I want that to be reflected here in the footer. For whatever reason. You got your reasons. It's okay. But we want it to say page 304 in the footer on the page actually too. So when we print it, that'll be there. To add that, pretty straightforward. And you might have already seen it if you've added page numbers, if you've already added page numbers. And if you don't know how to add page numbers in Google Docs, check out the other video that I have for adding page numbers in Google Docs. So to add a page, to add the total number of pages, I'm going to blow up the screen a little bit to make it easier to see. Let's go over here. Okay. You're going to go and click behind the page number. Notice that page number, it has a little grayish background. That's because it's a field. Just so you know, that means that's not actually the number 3. That's a little piece of code in your document that says, hey, I'm on page 3. Let's put a 3 here. But we're going to keep going. Let's add total number of pages. I'm going to hit the space bar, type the word of, just so it makes sense when I add the total number of pages. And I'm going to hit another space. You can do whatever you want here. If you want to put a slash, I've seen that some people do that. They'll have the page number, then a slash, and the total number of pages. Do what works for you. So after I add my little word here, I'm going to put in a field, again, insert a field, that has the total number of pages. That's here. We go to insert, page header and footer here. Let me go back down so you can see it with the menu now. Header and page number. Click page count. And you'll see the number, total number of pages pops in there. And like I said before, you see it's kind of gray. That's because it's a field. Google Docs will automatically calculate the total number of pages that you have constantly. So for instance, if I decided to add some more text, in fact, here I'm going to copy this and add it in again. I'm going to pretend like I wasn't finished with this report and I added some more text to it. Let's paste that in. Actually, let's go and copy it first. Copy. Come down here, paste it. All right, so now you see that pushed, this added another page. I added so much text, it started a new page. And in the footer, the total number of pages is still correct because Google Docs recalculates it every time I make a change. Page 4 of 5, page 5 of 5.